So, road trip. We're going for birthday. Okay, we are driving. We went to a birthday party of our brother-in-law, and we are going back home. It's so beautiful, so I'm gonna be showing you around. My favorite thing is to travel road trip in Norway. I mean, in the plane, it's also. I don't think there's anything more beautiful when you are leaving Ålesund to Oslo. It is the most beautiful thing. If I have some videos, I will show sometime. But it's so beautiful. Look at the environment. I just really love it. Road trips are my favorites in Norway.
He's standing by a castle in a velvet coat, looking like a prince who owns a private boat. I imagine us ruling kingdoms by the sea, me in diamonds and pouring wine for me. But he writes,
going in these places always makes me feel like I'm watching a movie, and they show these beautiful places that in my mind I always think, oh, that's not real. There's no place like that. So that's how I feel. I feel like I'm seeing that, but in real life, it's just so much more beautiful in person. If you can, I definitely recommend visiting Norway and do a road trip. You will never regret a road trip. It's so beautiful. It's totally worth the cold. It's also very cold in Norway. So,
why is there a sock stuck to the ceiling? A mystery I can't start revealing. It's dancing, it's spinning up there like a trophy, gravity defying. Who threw it up there? Who's to blame? A renegade sock, a wild claim. Socks on.
I have a very thick jacket over here. It's really, really thick. The reason I'm not wearing it is because it's not cold enough to wear that, but it's not warm enough to not wear anything. Does it make sense? So I'm wearing this for now. When it gets really cold, which it will, I will wear the appropriate outfit for that. One thing about Norway, they love their tunnels. They are everywhere. Here comes the tunnel. Don't worry, they're safe. No one is hiding there trying to mug people or something. Please don't bring tunnels in Africa. We can't do this. Here you see this light at the end of the tunnel. There comes the light.
Flying through the air without a care. Socks on the ceiling, they're breaking the rules, turning my house into a circus of fools. One's polka dots, the other's plain gray. Their friendship's odd, but they make my day. Swinging in rhythm, they sway and they play. They're rebels without a foot, hanging where no socks should. They're mocking the laundry laws. Applause, applause, applause. Socks on the ceiling, who put them there? Flying through the air without a care. Socks on.
I said it's not cold enough to wear this. It became cold enough. So here we are. Someone is not happy about his half. Yeah, we definitely.
I saw you in my dream, under a silver sky. You reached your hand to me and shared a dream with me. I hope I see you each time I close my eyes. I wanna reach you where all the dreaming lies. I hope I feel you in shadows and lullabies.
Yesterday I saw it was cold water.
Yeah, this is cold water also.
Yeah, no, but you know cold water is lake water, right? Or a river. Ocean, let's see, it's hot water. It's salty water.
Salty, yeah? It's
Salty. Yeah, this is fresh. Now, when we say cold, we mean fresh. All water in Norway is cold, really. I don't think there's any actual warm water in Norway. That's just not going to happen. You have to physically warm it. Look at how gorgeous this mountain is. I don't think you can see it on the video. It's so pretty. Ah, it's just so breathtaking. As if you go out now, you could be dead. That kind of breathtaking.
Right where the starlight bends, you touch my lonely heart, and suddenly it mends. I hope I see you each time I close my eyes. I wanna reach you where all the dreaming lies. I hope I feel you in shadows and lullabies. I wanna hold you beneath the silent sky and stay with you through the night. And when the dawn arrives, you fade in.
Look at me trying to stay safe.
You fade into the blue, but every night I know I'll walk the dreams with you. Oh, I hope I see you each time I close my